Do you believe in magic?
There's like 3 rocks that I know, basalt, scoria, and tuff.
Magic. If the music is groovy, it makes you feel happy like an old time.
When we put rocks in water, they kind of change colors. When I put the scoria in, it changes red color, and when I put the basalt in it turns black color.
We'll dance until the morning, till it's just you and me. And maybe, if the music is right, I'll meet you tomorrow, sorta late at night, and we'll go a dancing, baby.
And also in my grow lab, I learned about pumpkins with putting mini pumpkins in water, and putting big pumpkins in water, and they both float. To me, I thought it was going to the small one was going to float and the big one was going to sink, but it was not.
Do you believe in magic?